In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk latch on this BMW 328i. This is going to be attached to the trunk lid. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this handle, just grab it, pull it towards the back. Then we need to release it from the cable. There's a little tab right here. I'm just going to take a straight blade screwdriver, pull this back, push that little T through. That's going to go through when we take this lid off. Now we're going to take these push pins off. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. You got to separate it. Sometimes it might be easier to start with a pocket screwdriver first, just to get it to move a little bit. And pop that out. It's just a push pin. Do the same on the other ones. There we go. That one's a little easier. Pull that out and grab this cover, and it comes right down. Now I'll take these screws out, use a T30 socket. Grab the latch, just pull this down. You can disconnect the connector right here, just grab the connector. There's a little clip right there. If you need to, you can use a straight blade screwdriver, just get under there. Just slightly pull that out. Now we're going to disconnect the cables. There's a little tab right here. I'm just going to get underneath this with a straight blade screwdriver, just right where that little cord is. You just need to pop this up, just like that. This pulls out. Then on the side here, there's a clip. Just get under that clip with the straight blade screwdriver. There we go. Pull that out. Slide that out, just like that. Take the new latch, slide the cable on, lock that down. Lock that retainer down, and then push this little push pin in. Just get that lined up, and just push it down. That's good. Connect the connector. Get the connector lined up. Plug that in. Get this lined up top. And take the screws, get the screws started. Snug those down. Now I'll take this cover. You want to make sure you get the cable through before you push that up. Push that through. Then we'll just put this on now. Push that in position, just like that. I can go there. And lock them down. And down below. There we go. And the last one. Push them down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.